Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Bitcoin's price surged today, reaching $99,450. It moved right into the freshly generated purple box of short liquidation leverage volume, spanning from $99,000 to $103,000. This zone marks the largest liquidation leverage cluster on the heat map. The market maker just dipped their toes into this area, teasing the potential for more action. Looking at the 12-hour heat map, the hottest areas are at $97,900 and $97,200. These zones hold approximately $100 million in long liquidation leverage volume. A dip to these levels could clear out over-leveraged long positions. On the 3-day heat map, we saw a clearance of short liquidation leverage volume from $99,300 up to $99,500. This was the hottest area on this time frame, and market makers successfully ate through it. On the 1-week heat map, the price movement points to a clear direction, up. The next logical targets lie between $99,600 and $103,000 with potential to push even higher. Short term, we might see a dip to $97,900, which would clear out late longs. Revisiting the middle of the yellow zone, spanning from $96,500 to $99,600, is also possible. However, long-term indicators strongly suggest upward momentum. This aligns not just with a 1-week heat map, but also with Bitcoin's historical monthly returns and its consistent Q4 performance in halving years. Switching gears, let's examine the MVRV score, a tool that uses blockchain data to assess whether Bitcoin is over or undervalued relative to its fair value. Developed by Murad Mahmudov and David Puel, the Z-score compares Bitcoin's market value, its price, with its realized value, which accounts for the price at which each Bitcoin last moved. The green zone on the Z-score chart typically marks market bottoms, while the red zone signals overheated market tops. Currently, the Z-score sits at 2.68, a level comparable to the lows seen in March this year, when it reached 2.92. This suggests Bitcoin is far from overheated territory. It's tempting to use the Z-score to estimate potential price action, but this method can be misleading. For example, if the Z-score were to climb to 7, the price would theoretically jump to $256,000. At a Z-score of 9, it could skyrocket to $320,000. However, such direct multiplication oversimplifies the relationship between the Z-score and Bitcoin's price. The takeaway here is simple. Bitcoin still has room to grow before entering overheated territory. In global news, Russia has officially embraced Bitcoin for international trade. Finance Minister Anton Siluanov confirmed that legislative changes now allow Russian companies to use Bitcoin in other digital currencies for foreign transactions. This move is seen as an effort to bypass Western sanctions and signals broader adoption of cryptocurrencies in global trade. Meanwhile, rumors are circulating about a potential presidential pardon for former FTX CEO Sam Bankman-Fried, who is currently serving a 25-year sentence for fraud and embezzlement. Speculation is fueled by his significant donations to Democratic campaigns, but critics are raising concerns about clemency precedents and the fairness of penalties for FTX collaborators. Bitcoin remains in a critical position. While a short-term dip to $97,900 is possible, the long-term direction is clearly upward. The heat maps, historical trends, and global developments all point to an exciting future for Bitcoin. If you want to stay ahead of the market and discuss the latest Bitcoin trends, join our free Discord community. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And see you in the next one.